Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting by confirming this is your personal machine. Managed devices can't be fixed this way. Once confirmed, open Settings, go to Network and Internet, then Status. Click Change Connection Properties for the active adapter and set the network profile to private so Windows treats it as trusted. Make sure any metered connection toggle is off. These steps remove one common trigger that tells Windows a network might be monitored and prepares the system for deeper cleanup. Next, you'll remove traces of management that cause monitoring warnings. Go to Accounts Access Work or School and disconnect any linked organizational accounts. You need to sign out to remove policies. Then open Network and Internet Proxy and turn off manual or scripted proxies. Also quit or uninstall VPN clients so they're not routing traffic through monitored endpoints. Finally, clear matching entries in Credential Manager. Once done, these steps stop Windows from associating the network with an employer or school. To finish, restart your computer so changes apply and then reconnect to your home Wi-Fi. Check Settings Network and Internet. The message should be gone. If it persists, run the Network Troubleshooter and use Network Reset to reinstall adapters. This cleans corrupted profiles. Make sure you rejoin the correct SSID and create a fresh network profile if needed. A key troubleshooting tip: if your device is managed, contact your IT admin. Self-removal won't work on organization and forced policies and could break access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.